We are here 85 years after the Battle of Britain. We've got no less than 8 airworthy Hurricanes together.
As the pilot, I just never imagined I'm gonna fly the Hurricane out of Duxford.
And this aircraft is here for a very special reason, because it is in the markings of an aeroplane that was right here at Duxford, flown by Czech pilots 85 years ago.
Yes, that's exactly correct. That's why we've chosen the paint scheme for this aircraft as NND, because it's, I think, maybe most documented aircraft from Battle of Britain. Then it went straight to Battle of France. It served with 73rd Squadron. Battle of France, Operation Dynamo. Then it went back to UK with 73rd, Battle of Britain. Still during Battle of Britain moved to 32nd Squadron, Biggin Hill. And then to 71st, the Eagle Squadron. That's a really important airplane for the Czechs because, you know, the 310 Squadron is one of the famous squadrons, in the people's mind.